So we're back at it again. We got a Speedmaster header kit. There's our old Chinese header where the O2 sensor blew out and it cracked. They did not have great penetrating welds. So we put the longer tube header in. I don't know if you can't really see it. Maybe a little from the bottom here. Kind of. Yeah. So the longer tube header welded in O2 bungs. Still learning how to TIG, so don't be too critical. Welded a couple in here. This isn't my best welds on that one. That one's a little better there. So this thing comes like this with, so these are 2-inch. This is the downpipe, 2-inch, and then has the collector like that, goes in to your 2 1/4. Not acceptable. So cut that baby off right there. You can see how big their O2 bung is, very constrictive. Speedmaster put it together, but they did not grind that out very well. So I came back in and touched it up so it would kind of merge a little bit better, do a little bit more scavenging. So that was 2 1/4. That's 3-inch. So if you can see the difference, we got 2 1/4 here, 3-inch there, baby. That's what we're looking at. That's what we're gonna do. That's gonna have a nice merge. Then I think we're gonna have some horsey power. So check back, show the final welded part. There's my magic YESWELDER and the card I built for it. I'll be doing a separate video on that. That's what I'm using. I like it so far. I mean, I don't have a lot of experience with TIG or anything, but liking the welder, love the price. Got it off of Amazon. Got this angle off of Amazon, universal exhaust tip. So got this off of Facebook Marketplace, off a guy. Oh, one thing, when you weld these O2 bungs in, you know, I had the welder turned down to like 50 amps because this stuff's fairly thin. I think it was 0.049, so I went 50 amps on the TIG and went around and welded it, and you can see it ate in pretty good on those, and you need a chaser afterwards. I've seen people that just kind of go around and spot weld it all the way around that. Probably not a bad idea because, man, these things do not like the heat, and this stainless steel is sticky when you after you weld it. So that's what we got so far. I get to weld in 4 of these bungs like this. Lots of good practice. I'm thinking this is going to be a lot easier. Probably trim it back a little bit more once I figure out the length on that tube and everything. I'm kind of hoping I can use this flare. I might have to like move it back because you can see I'm going to have to be shorter here. So I may move this back and weld it. I may just cut it, flare that baby down. We'll see how we end up, but hoping I can probably kick this out a little bit more. What I've done when I've done these before is, I haven't done one of these before, but I've done merge pipes. You get your merge pipe where you can slip it up and then take a pen and mark it around and then trim it back. So that's what I'm going to be doing. But this baby's going to flow like there's no tomorrow. So hope you like what you see. Like and subscribe. Wait for the next video.